Namaste everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel SUMANSWASTHYAYOG. Today we learn butterfly posture with the right technique and their benefits. Straight your both legs, your both hands near to your hips, and your neck, back and hips should be in one line. Now bend your right leg and place it comfortably on your left thigh. Now your right hand above to your left knee and hold your toes from the left hand and place it comfortably first on your left thigh. Now while breathing in, slowly raise your knee towards the chest. While exhaling, slowly get down towards the floor. Inhale towards the chest, exhale down. Do not strain and do not curve on your back. It should be straight. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to try to touch your chest. Exhale, try to touch the floor. If you are not able to touch your chest or floor, so do not worry, it will go with the time. Exhale, go down with the time. Exhale, go down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now straight your right leg and bend your left knee and comfortably place on your right leg. Now your left hand above to your right knee and hold your toes from the right hand. Same, inhale towards the chest, exhale, go down and try to touch the floor. Your neck, back, hips should be in one line. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing should be long and deep and from your abdominal. Exhale, go down. While inhaling, stomach will be out, and while exhaling, stomach will be in. Just remember this breathing pattern and go with the flow. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Straight your left leg and comfortable your both legs. Benefit of this half butterfly posture is this is an excellently preparatory practice for loosening up your knee and thigh joints for meditative asana. And secondly, those people who cannot sit in cross leg, it can help them to sit in cross leg and they can practice this half butterfly posture every morning and evening. Thank you so much everyone to watching me, and please like and subscribe my channel SUMANSWASTHYAYOG for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.